Hello guys, today I will demonstrate how to change font style in Label Node. Here is my test scene, and I have this free font style that you can download from the link in the description. Let's start by creating a label node. I will name it Title. The label node will use the default font from default theme that has been set up by Godot. Select the label node, and in Inspector tab, find Label Settings property. Create new label settings for the label. If you click the label setting, it will show you several properties that can be configured. One of them is Font on Font Category. Drag and drop the font style that you want to be implemented. And as you can see, the font is changed. Other things that you can configure are size, color, and even outline. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you think this video helps you learn.